How to link Facebook page to Messenger. Now, this is quite very easy and simple. As long as you follow along, then you will not have any problems in the future. So right now, I'm currently opening up my Facebook application in here. So basically, if you will be creating a page using the application, your Messenger app will automatically detect it once you will switch the current uh, whatever logged ins on that specific page. Now, for you to switch between pages, just simply pull up your Facebook account and then just simply tap on this drop down right here and you will be able to see all the existing page that you have created. Now, if you switch this, it will automatically be linked over to your Messenger. Now, let's go back and try to look for the Messenger application. So access your Messenger app and then head over to your settings or on the menu, which is going to be the three lines at the lower right portion of your screen. And in here, just simply choose on switch profile. And all these pages right here are all linked from your Facebook page to Messenger. So you can just randomly choose or manually switch to any of the pages that you would like. So that's how you link your Facebook page to Messenger.